Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. My kids have been off on holiday for the last couple of weeks over Easter and they're actually back to school tomorrow. A prospect they're not exactly relishing, if I'm honest. However, at the start of the holidays, my son, being quite a diligent student, decided to try and check how much homework he had to do. So he went on to his computer system that the school provides for him, like a learning management system, and he found that he was unable to log on with the password that they'd given him. This was quite frustrating, obviously, and he started panicking that he wasn't going to be able to get his homework done. So I phoned up the school and managed to speak to someone there, see if I could sort the problem out, and very apologetically they explained to me that it was a new computer system, a new LMS, and that as a result they were having a few teething troubles. If you talk about teething troubles or teething problems, these are the kinds of problems that you get early on when adopting a new process or a new activity, or when starting a new business or a new enterprise of some kind. I guess the idea comes from when babies are teething. When babies' teeth first start coming through and it's very, very sore for them and it causes them a lot of pain and they cry a lot. The babies are teething, yeah? The teeth are coming through and so they're teething, which causes all these problems. It soon passes, yeah? So the idea is these are short-term problems at the beginning of a process. So, maybe when you're introducing a new system or you're starting a new activity, there are bound to be a few teething problems. It's nothing to panic about. Maybe when you introduce a new model of a car, you might find that there are major teething troubles with the steering of the car that have to be corrected before it can be rolled out properly to the market. Maybe when you introduce new products or new systems, you might find that there are teething problems early on, but these are then rectified, these are then corrected. And maybe when you have to change supplier, for example, perhaps because your previous supplier decides to slap crazy tariffs onto you. You might find that there are teething problems with the supply lines that you need to iron out. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do, I haven't done one of these for a while, as you can tell. And please do add in the comment section below your own examples of teething troubles or teething problems.